Hello, thank you for watching this video about our pre-enrollment night for preschool, kinder prep, and kindergarten at the ECDC. Our principal is Tiffany Boxham and our secretary is Sonia Macias. We have 2 preschool teachers, Joan Perry and Krista Sullivan, and 1 kinder prep teacher, Susie Scott. We have 4 kindergarten teachers, Laura Bose, Paige Cantrell, Carla Curbo, and Melissa Sullivan. Other programs offered at the ECDC include Parents as Teachers, Learn and Play, and Head Start. Melissa Moore is the Parents as Teachers coordinator, and she offers home visits and play groups for children aged birth to 3. Joan Perry is the Learn and Play facilitator, and she offers 2 play groups a month for children aged birth to 5. We also have Head Start for children aged 3 to 5. By law, a child who will be 4 years old on or before August 31st is eligible to enter preschool. Our district policy requires that all children entering preschool must present a certified birth certificate, a current health assessment, and proof of immunizations. By law, a child who will be 5 years old on or before August 31st is eligible to enter kinder prep or kindergarten. Again, the district policy requires that those children must present a certified birth certificate, a current health assessment, and proof of immunizations. Please make sure you bring your original state birth certificate, a current health assessment, and your child's immunization card and show it to a staff member at the school during our enrollment night so that copies of these documents can be made. This information is for pre-enrollment. Enrollment will actually be completed online later on in the summer. If you cannot complete enrollment online, including payments, or need to turn in paperwork, you must come to the enrollment day prior to the first day of school. You can find out when that enrollment day is by downloading the USD 210 app or looking at www.usd210.org for updated information on that enrollment date. If you are unsure if your child is ready for kindergarten, kinder prep is a great option to consider. Some children are not ready either academically, socially, or emotionally to attend kindergarten. Kinder prep is a full-day program all 5 days of the week. Please talk to Mrs. Scott if you have questions about kinder prep. If you are unsure if your child is ready for kindergarten, we do offer some different assessments that could help you make that determination. These include the ASQ, the Ages and Stages questionnaire, a Gazelle screening, a play-based assessment, MyIGDs, and the PPVT. There are 4 sessions of preschool, 2 morning sessions and 2 afternoon sessions. The morning sessions run from 8 o'clock to 11:15. The afternoon sessions run from 12:15 to 3:30. Preschool meets Monday through Thursday. Kinder prep is from 8 o'clock to 3:30, Monday through Friday. Kindergarten is also from 8 o'clock to 3:30, Monday through Friday. These are the required immunizations for your child to enter preschool, kinder prep, or kindergarten. A representative from the health department and a school nurse will be available during our enrollment night to look at your child's immunization records and let you know if your child is up to date or will need further immunizations. A health assessment will need to be completed by your physician or the health department. Again, you can talk to a representative from the health department about how and when you can get this done. They will be present during our enrollment night. You can also contact the Stevens County Health Department at 620-544-7177 to make an appointment for a health assessment or immunizations. They are located at 505 Polk in Hugoton. These are some screenings that we offer at the ECDC throughout the school year. The Lions Club comes and completes a vision screening. The school nurses complete hearing screenings. And we have people come and complete dental screenings on the children each year. The Lions Club screenings are done with a specialized camera that takes a picture of your child's eyes and immediately prints out a report letting you know if there are any concerns with your child's vision. If there are any concerns, we recommend that you take that sheet that you will get printed out to an eye doctor and have a complete assessment done on your child's vision. During our enrollment night, the Lions Club will be available at the ECDC to complete that screening. This is free, it's quick and easy, and it will let you know if there are any concerns with your child's vision. Our school nurses will also be available to complete a hearing screening on your child if you have any concerns about your child's hearing during our enrollment night. Buses for preschool students run for the morning session only. So if you live in the country and your child will be riding the bus to school, your child will be placed in a morning session of preschool. Please write bus on your blue enrollment form if you live in the country and your child will be riding the bus. Buses run the return route starting at 11:20 in the morning. There are 8 qualifiers, and if your child or your family meet any of these qualifiers, then you will not have to pay tuition for preschool. The qualifiers include the free lunch status, if you're working with a DCF caseworker, if English is not the primary language in your home, if your family is migrant, if your child is developmentally or academically delayed, and this needs to be confirmed by our special ed teacher, if you are a single parent family, if you were a teenager when this child that you are enrolling was born, or if either parent of the child does not have a high school diploma or GED. In your enrollment packet, you will find a white district enrollment form, a blue community preschool application form, a yellow migrant form, a green home language survey, and a pink form that will help us provide your child's teacher information about your child. All of these forms need to be filled out completely during our enrollment night. This is the blue sheet that is in your packet. If you are enrolling your child in kinder prep or kindergarten, this blue sheet should have been taken out of your packet. But for all children enrolling in preschool, this sheet needs to be filled out completely. At the top, you will write your child's name, whether they're male or female, their date of birth, and mark whether the child lives with both of their parents, just their mother, just their father, or someone else. And if it's someone else, please write the relationship to the child, such as grandparents, guardian, foster parents, whatever it may be. We need the child's mother's and father's complete information filled out in these 2 areas, so please fill those out completely and circle underneath whether the child's mother and father are married, divorced, or single. And on the next line, you will enter the child's siblings' names and ages of all siblings that are living in the household with the child. The bottom of this form lists the different things that will help us determine whether your child will qualify for our preschool program or whether you will be paying tuition for your child. You do not need to fill out number 1. Our office staff will do that for you. When you complete the online enrollment papers, we will be able to determine whether your child qualifies for a free lunch or not. So leave number 1 blank. On number 2, if you are currently working with the DCF caseworker, circle yes. If not, circle no. Number 3, if the primary language in your home is English, circle no. If the primary language in your home is a language other than English, circle yes. If you circle yes, your child will be screened at the beginning of the year, and if they are determined to be fluent in English, then they will not qualify for our program under that qualification. Number 4, you can leave blank because our office staff will determine that based upon the information written on the yellow sheet in your child's packet. Number 5, if you have concerns about your child's development, please let a staff member know. We will get you in touch with our special education teacher, Cher Bowl, and help determine whether your child would qualify for special services. If your child is already on an IEP, circle yes. If not, circle no, or if you're concerned, make sure you bring that to a staff member's attention during our enrollment night. If you are a single parent, circle yes. If not, circle no. If you were a teenager when this child was born that you are enrolling in preschool, circle yes. If not, circle no. If the mother of this child has a high school diploma or GED, circle yes. If not, circle no. On number 8 and on number 9, if the father of this child that is enrolling in preschool, if the father has a high school diploma or GED, circle yes. If not, circle no. And then you need to sign this form, put your relationship to the child, and date it. Enrollment night will be from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock p.m. and it is come and go. There will be several stations set up and you need to make sure you visit all of them. There will be people to check off to make sure you've completed all the forms correctly, and you can have your child participate in the vision and hearing screens if you wish. We'll also make copies of your immunization records, your health assessments, and your birth certificates if you bring those to our enrollment night. When your child is put into a class, their teacher will be coming to visit you for a porch visit before school starts. So make sure if you change addresses, you let the school know your new address. And there will also be a back to school night right before school starts where you can bring your child to see their classroom and bring the school supplies that your child needs to bring and get to know the teacher a little bit better. We will be asking you to get this app on your phone or tablet. This is a way that all of us communicate with you and let you know what is going on in the classroom. Your child's teacher can send you messages. You can message each other back and forth privately on this app. You will see class and school announcements. You will see pictures of your child, and you will see work that your child is completing at school with the Seesaw Family app. Also, please download the USD 210 app so that you can be notified of things that are happening in the district. You can find us on Facebook at USD 210, Hugoton USD 210 Facebook page. There's a Hugoton Community Preschool Facebook page and a Hugoton Kindergarten Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video. Please come to our enrollment night and fill out all of your information at our April pre-enrollment night. Make sure you bring your child's birth certificate, health certificate, and immunization card to be copied. Thank you for watching.